Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So this is what I wanted to show you in this video. This is the stand that I've recently got it to my place. Now earlier it was housing a 6 feet aquarium on it, but unfortunately I could not move the aquarium all the way to the 5th floor, so I had to dismantle it. However, I will be using the glass. Nothing is going to go waste. As you can see, this stand is going to come in use for keeping my succulents. It has around 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 shelves on this wherein I can place my succulents. The glass will also be used. You will be able to see it in my other video. It's a very long stand, so it can house a lot of succulents. Hopefully, if I'm going to keep smaller pots, probably more than 100 pots would be able to accommodate on one shelf. So that's pretty exciting. Now you must be wondering how am I going to place succulent, because this is a plank and the lower succulents are not going to get any light. But this stand is going to be placed in such a position wherein it gets the morning sun, that is the east sun, early morning sunlight. So the early morning sunlight tends to slant. It does not fall directly, so that is more than enough. That is going to give me around 5 to 6 hours of morning direct sunlight. But again, as and when I'm going to place this stand in its place, you will be getting an fair idea. So these are all the succulents. I was just trying to check how many succulents would fit in one row at a time. So this can give me a fair idea what are the succulents that I want to place over here. Of course, all of the succulents are going to be the succulents that are brightly colored, that require a good amount of morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours. Those are the only succulents that I'm going to be placing on this. And again, as I said, I will be painting this completely black because the last paint has kind of worn off. So even the wood that is there on the upper shelf, I will also go ahead and paint that off. There are a little bit of mushrooms that are growing on it because of the wood coming in contact with the water, and this is going to be kept under the roof, so there won't be any rainwater that is going to be falling on it. So this is a big lifesaver for me, because I will be able to keep my succulents without them getting wet in the rain. That is a big relief. But as I said, once I place it, I will definitely make a video on it. There is another issue that is happening right now. There is some renovation going on at my place. There is going to be a lot of painting that's going to be happening. Due to heavy rains, the renovation and the painting was held up, but now the sun was out today, so I think they are going to continue. So I'll have to move all of my succulents to the center so that when they're scraping off all the old paint, that does not fall onto my succulents. So it's going to be a very tedious, probably another 2 or 3 weeks is going to be very tedious. And I just hope that this thing is wrapped up very fast so that I can put back all of my succulents in their location. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.